In this video, I'll show you how to send automated invoices in SuiteDash, saving you time and ensuring your billing process is streamlined and efficient. Stick around, because I'll also share a better solution for the goal of automation in invoicing at the end. So, keep watching to find out what's really the best option for your business. Let's dive straight into how SuiteDash handles automated invoicing. The first thing you want to do is set up your invoice templates. SuiteDash has a built-in template editor that makes customizing your invoices fairly simple. You can add your logo, business info, and choose your preferred design. This is the first step in automating your invoices because you want to make sure your invoices are professional and personalized before they're sent automatically. Next thing to set up is your clients. You'll need to have your clients entered into the system, complete with their contact information and payment details. SuiteDash allows you to create client portals where they can manage their own information, view invoices, and make payments, which cuts down on a lot of back and forth communication. The third thing you need to do is create your billing schedules. In SuiteDash, you can set invoices to be sent automatically at specific intervals, whether that's weekly, monthly, or on any other recurring schedule you prefer. This automation feature is great because it saves you from manually sending out invoices every time and ensures that your clients never miss a payment. The fourth thing is setting up payment integrations. SuiteDash allows you to connect with multiple payment gateways like PayPal, Stripe, and others, so your clients can pay easily through the same system. This is crucial if you're aiming for a seamless, automated process that doesn't require additional steps on your part. Now, here's where SuiteDash doesn't always live up to expectations. While the automation features are decent, it's not as intuitive as some other software solutions out there. The learning curve can be steep, especially if you're new to CRM or billing software. Plus, if you're running a large-scale operation or need more complex customization for invoicing, SuiteDash might not fully meet your needs without some manual adjustments. And now for the fifth and final point. If you find SuiteDash too cumbersome or limited in any of these aspects, there's a competitor you should check out. I'll be giving you a sneak peek at a software that handles invoicing automation more efficiently, with a smoother interface and better customization options that can save you even more time. Before we wrap up, I want to mention something special. Through the link in the description, you'll get access to an exclusive, extended free trial of SuiteDash. But that's not all. We also added some amazing alternatives that might be better for your invoicing goals. These also come with a free trial, and through our link, you'll get the best exclusive benefits available to our viewers. So, check out the link and make an informed decision based on your needs. Don't settle for just okay when you can get the best invoicing automation solution that works seamlessly for your business. Thanks for watching.